back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to improve battery life on Moto G37. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. Click on battery saver. Make sure turn on battery saver. After turn on battery saver, click on schedule and reminders. So you will see, and click on manage background apps. Turn on this button and click on apps. After select app, so you will see always allow, don't allow, smart use. After the process, go back to home screen. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.